So in estate agency and lettings for that matter, and auctioneering, all of which I get involved in, my first port of call when I hear some news on the horizon that affects the property market or legislation or things like that is to turn to NAEA, Propertymark, ALA, Propertymark and NAEA to help me to understand what's coming out and what's happening and the rumours that you hear on the street. I have always found that it's been incredibly approachable. The organisations that I've worked with have been incredibly approachable, and we're able to find that kind of information out really quickly. One of the ways of doing that is attending regional masterclasses and conferences, because you can be sure that there's anything in the news that affects estate agency or lettings at any time. Those subject topics will be considered and broadcast in those arenas. And so the first thing you do is think, right, who can I talk to at NAEA Propertymark or ALA Propertymark? Where's the next conference? Where can I get more information? And all of that information comes to us. One of the big changes for us in our world has been the cessation of the Property Misdescriptions Act and consumer protection regulations taking over. In that respect, there's been a sea change for us all in estate agency and lettings in what we may and may not do. And without the support and the guidance and the constant reassurance of the changing market and how it affects us, and the changing legislations and how it affects us, we wouldn't be able to do our jobs properly and competently. More importantly, it puts us at the cutting edge when we go out to meet clients and customers, to be able to give them the right advice first time and, generally speaking, before anyone else, because we have this access to such a fund of information.